Shit. Oh crap, we should be live. I just got like 20,000 alerts from Moderna. Oh, this was probably one of this was like my most bullish stock. And as soon as it started coming down and failing to break out, I sold. I'm like, no, I don't trust this. And I'm glad. Look at this. From the 440s down to the 350s. Airbnb is moving back. Morning, Ruben. What's going on, Elmo? No, Kyoto should be here any second. He's been messaging me in Discord. Let's see. Pull up Discord. There he is. What a crazy week, huh, guys? What's going on, Pam? I eat chicken. Facebook. You guys can't hear those alerts, huh? I think I have it muted. Let me see. AMD is another one. Um, how about this rally yesterday with AMC? I couldn't believe it. I should have went live yesterday, huh? And to close, this was insane. What's going on, Crypto Bird? I'm alive. I've been alive. And it sucks because the day I want to go live, right, today, is the day that the transfer applications open for colleges, for CSU universities. They opened at 6 a.m. So I kind of also wanted to get that over with in a bit too. Let's see if I can find this. Ah, it's somewhere around here. Let's see. Go to Twitter. What kind of news we have? We gonna keep rallying. Morning, Keith. Even GameStop moved. How about BlackBerry? Same thing. Look at this. All these meme stocks moved together. Interesting, huh? I haven't really been focusing late. Look at that push on Neo lately on AMC or GameStop. Like I have my alerts set. I've been looking at them, but not as much as when we would stream. I've been focusing heavily on Tesla though. This one was kind of sideways the whole week, except for this 800 push, in which it did not even tap 800. We were just kind of sideways. Got a lot of fake outs too. Uh, I think like two times this week the market pushed up at open and then it immediately started pulling back. So that's one thing I'd be careful for, especially today. First day of the month too, October. Wow. We might dip here at the start, 172 to 174. If we bounce off of those, we'll rip up to 185, 190. Hopefully. What's going on, Saxlot? You guys have there's plenty of other YouTubers out there that are live. It's not just me. Let's go to Twitter, see what's trending. Oh, it was Adam Aaron's birthday yesterday. So I can't wait. I think it should be a Form 4 where we should see what amount of shares he sold or at what price too. Looks like Meek Mill dropped a new album. I don't care. Uh oh, this is what Adam Aaron was getting wet over this morning. Some pill. A pharmaceutical company, Merck and Co. says experimental Rona 19 pill cuts hospitalization and deaths by half. Will soon ask health officials to authorize its use. This is why he was getting excited, right? This orange pill. It's a lot of people's birthdays today. Let's go back to SPY. Yeah, futures were tanking yesterday, guys. Like 3 hours after. Oh, no, actually no. It was like in the evening, 6 here. They were just flushing. But we had a nice little recovery this morning too. This was yesterday here. I don't know. I still think there's more pain to come. Robert Brown, what's going on? Do you have a different account? Or is this a fake Robert Brown? Because I think Robert Brown was modded, no? I think he had a wrench. This is kind of have a wrench. All right, this guy on Twitter, right? I'm telling you, I don't know if Trey hates me or something, but I replied the other day on Trey's account. I'm put like it was when AMC was falling. I'm like, what are your thoughts on AMC falling? And he never replied. And yesterday, I'm telling you, when it was shooting up, this is not AMC. This is Spy. When it was shooting up, he replied back. I'm like, you petty mother. And then people are just attacking me. And then this guy right now, he's calling me a clown. I click on his bio. The first thing on his bio is AMC strong back holder since January. I'm like, are you kidding me? They're calling themselves back holders now. The way he can let the trolls have it, there isn't any other YouTuber. I appreciate that, Rob. Matt Coors banned me for supporting Morantz. Wait, I wouldn't be shocked to see all these. I'm telling you, these other YouTubers watch Morantz. I kid you not. The mask guy, the investor mask guy. This guy doesn't even show his face anymore. Or I forgot what he did. He's listening to Robert, I mean, not Robert Brown. He's listening to Morantz. It's a fake Robert, huh? Let me see. Yeah, he's probably messaging me on Discord. Oh no, he didn't. That's what I'm thinking, Kurt. The word doesn't make sense. If you bought January, you're not a back holder. You're up in the green, right? What's going on, Monster Buddy? Not looking too bad today. I'm telling you, Tesla's boring, man. It's not doing anything. Look at this. It's kind of flat on the day. It's not doing anything. Bring this stock down. This isn't the 50-day moving average. This is a simple. Get rid of that. DMA. Click that. Edit this. Put 50. Displace 0. Okay, apply. There we go. Look at this. CMG crossed under the daily. This is just one of the many. Which one was the other stocks that were crossing under the daily? Moderna. This one flushed hard. What a fake out. And it's still pulling back. 347. Let's go there. AMC 38 and 86. Any thoughts on EHTH? I don't know if you meant Ethereum. Oh no, I think you mean this. It looks boring. Looks like this massive head and shoulders pattern on the daily. Bottom out here third. I wouldn't trade this. I'm sorry, that was the weekly chart too. This is the daily. Not a lot of volume. That's my number one sign right there. That must have a lot of volume. Is Citadel throwing Twitter under the bus? And I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this whole week, the whole drama with the plane. They were gonna fly a plane with a banner that said Ken Griffin lied under oath or something like that. Ken G lied under oath, and they threatened to sue the company and the employee. By the way, her name was like Catherine. But she worked there. All this drama this week, I'm telling you. And I don't really want to dive all into it. Like I just skim over it. And it's just so shady. And I'm also reading a book, by the way. It's called The Quants. The Quants. And guess who's in that freaking book? Ken Griffin and Citadel. Morning, Rich. Who is this guy streaming? It's not Ralph. They do watch Morans. They all wish they could speak the truth. None of them have the guts to do it. None of them have the guts to do it. And Morantz is streaming the whole. Morantz, I get Morantz and Moderna confused. Morantz is streaming the whole day today. Moderna is still following NDX. I'm telling you, Nasdaq, don't be fooled. It's pulling back. This is the same thing that happened like two or three times this week. Nice little pop at open, and we started pulling back. Usually, like with bull markets, you'd have end of day rallies, end of day rips. We're not seeing that. We're literally seeing retest towards the lows, giving up all the gains. Every rip is sold. I'm telling you, look at this. We had a midday bounce yesterday, And it got sold off into close. That's not good. So sometimes it's not bad to just sit on your hands and just watch the markets. What's it about? So far, it's about the computers, the algorithms, the math wizards, how they control Wall Street with all these algorithms, how they caused the 2008 collapse, the 87 crash, all of that. I'm barely like on chapter 2. It all started with that. I'm not sure you guys are familiar with Ed Thorpe. He was he attended UCLA here in like 1950s. Professor, I think it was Irvine. What were these alerts? Baba's flushing back down. But that guy was like the godfather of the quants. There we go. That's the real Rob right here with the wrench. I saw that as well, Monster Buddy. They were saying that Citadel was photoshopping the screenshots because of the S. Literally, the S was different. I don't know what to say. I don't know. Like, don't you think they'd be smart enough to just type it out, somewhere else and not have to Photoshop it? I always question everything, though. You think they're smart, right? Oh, I think they're flying that banner too, guys. No way. Wait. Um, all set to fly tomorrow. It doesn't have a date. Was this yesterday or today? So I guess they're going about and flying that plane 2 hours ago. So it's today, yeah, October 1st. Hmm. See, what if that is even fake? We don't know. What if it's a fake lawsuit or fake, someone typed that up? I don't know. We've seen so much fake stuff, not even with just like AMC, with the whole Walmart and Lycon. You guys remember that? What's going on, Phoenix? And the VIX is sitting dead flat. The VIX is creepy when it's above like 22, 23 bucks. Let's see what it's at. 22.86. But when it starts to, I have my alerts on this sucker. When it starts to creep up, that's when things start to get a little sus. Also watch bonds. I've been watching TLT too. TLT. This tracks a 20-year. I have an alert at 152. When this starts to rally rapidly, that's a big warning sign. Like, why are people rushing into bonds? Why are people chasing that safe money? By the way, Prog is today's pump and dump. Brought to you by Wall Street Bets. Let's see, PROG. Someone brought this up. I think Kyoto did yesterday. I'm like, it's $1. No, it was like a 50-cent stock that was moving really heavily. I'm like, I don't know about that. Oh, Adam Moran is going on a Twitter rant today. I can't wait for the Morant's video. He said he'd make a video every time Morant. I keep getting Morant's confused with everything. Moderna, Adam Moran. He's tweeting about the pill. He's tweeting about I received more happy birthday wishes this year than in the rest of my life combined. I guess that's because you are so interested in AMC theaters and you are watching so closely what we've been doing to steer this proud 101-year-old company back to glory. Thank you so much. Bold for him to assume that, huh? And the freaking 30-second commercial, whatever. Robert Brown enjoyed your days off? He says absolutely. AMC pulling back again to 38. It's like it's slowly bleeding. Where are the buyers at? I'm telling you, if AMC closes down back to 35, I'm gonna be petty. I'm gonna go back to that tweet tray clapped at me. We're gonna have to clap back. TQ's TQ's tracks Nasdaq futures, by the way. So it's TQs and then the inverse, which is SQs. So it looks like NQ's falling still. Yup. SPY pulling back slightly, 429. We're not seeing no bounce here. Tesla pulling back. Let it drop, baby. I'm telling you, if we get a good midday dip on Tesla, like we did the other day when it hit 770, was it 770? Uh, 766, right around here. I think that would be a good dip buy. Let's just be patient. Friendly reminder, since Ryan Cohen only tweeted once this month, 741 is back on the table. I don't get what you mean by 741. 741. Is that like the time he tweets? 741, I'm assuming. There's like all these conspiracies. I wouldn't really call them conspiracies. Like there's some really clever and like creative people on Reddit, by the way. Like to be able to come to a conclusion about his tweets is insane. 741 on. And was it the whiskey one? I think he was throwing shots at Adam Aaron. Talk is cheap. I think that was the tweet. There we go. AMC finally bouncing off 38. No, I don't think Ryan Cohen tweeted. Let's see. September 26th. Talk is cheap. It takes money to buy whiskey. He only follows one person at one account. It's GameStop. Oh, there we go. I got Robert Brown's message. It is me. For some reason, Google YouTube. I'm telling you, YouTube is making me test this stuff all in. Beautiful, beautiful. It's making me do the two-factor thing. So every time I log into my Gmail account, I have to verify through my phone. And if I don't do that, it's gonna block me on the YouTube Studio where you see all the behind the scenes for a YouTube account, views, information. It won't let you use it if you don't set that up. It's annoying. But for Discord, I only did the two-factor thing because our Discord actually qualified to become on the explored, like on the search whatever. Like when you go for Discords and you search for other Discords or promote your Discord for free, public servers. But that was one of the requirements, so that's why I went about and did that. He posted a couple at 741. I assume that the whiskey one wasn't at 741, by the way. I'm telling you, I should just go down the street. He's always here at the Culver City GameStop. Probably run into him. Anyone see the GameStop printout of the total float bought XXX times over 4chan? No. I saw the NFT one. Do you guys see that one? The NFT email? Who was it? Like a computer share representative that sent that out? But I take all these with a grain of salt because anything can be fake nowadays. And if you open your phone call pad and look at 741, it points in the upward direction, only up. I like the confirmation bias. Someone sent that in the Discord. I'm curious to see that. AMC is still bouncing off 38. Nice. Finally, we see a nice little bounce there. Hashtag AMC to the moon is trending. Alongside hashtag AMC strong. Hashtag apes not leaving. 3 AMC related trends on Twitter right now. Send me all of that, Kyoto. I'm gonna set another alert for futures. I can't type. AMD 101. Tesla 771. Got a close eye on you. Let's move this right around here. Congrats, Pam. Yeah, I think crypto's ripping right now. Let's see. Up 20% today. Yeah, Bitcoin is it's insane. Why did it have this random spike? At 3:20 in the morning, it went from 44.9, call it 45, to 47.2. Crazy out of the nowhere rip at 3 in the morning. Set an alert on Tesla just in case it starts to bounce. AMC $38.33. Pump up so Adamaran can get a price. I'm waiting for that filing to come out, man. I'm telling you. Video by then. The 50-day EMA is coming up quick right now, pushing up crypto. I know a whale on VeChain, he has over $700,000 in it right now. He bought it at 0.04. VeChain. Or is it because it's October 1st, Rob? Hmm. I don't know. VeChain price, 10 cents. Costco, pulling back. This was another one that's crossing under the 50 daily moving average. You guys see that? CMG was another one. Zoom is just completely getting slapped. This one had like two fake up breakouts here twice. This time it got rejected at the EMA. I think there's more pain to come for Zoom. Baba was another one I've been watching closely too. There's gonna be a bounce on Baba. I just don't know when. It's still a falling knife. It's been having nice little rebounds. It bounced off 145, went to 153, and then you got faked out. So if you bought in around here thinking it's gonna rip, a good stop loss would be like right around 150s. Look at this. It's coming right back down. I have so many alerts on this. It just takes time for these plays to unfold. Nike's another one that still keeps on falling. Might even close the gap at 132. We don't know. Adamaran has to sell one. He's gonna sell. He mentioned himself on I think it was Trey's interview. So it's not FUD. Let's see. I'm scrolling through. Or we also need to over the weekend. If you're trading Tesla, Q3 deliveries come out, I believe by over the weekend for sure. That's gonna be a massive, massive catalyst for Monday. Still, even when Adamaran sells the filing, Rob, is it an F4 or Form 4? I'm sorry, Form 4 filing that we should be getting, because it's definitely not an AK, right? Definitely not a 13F. That's for hedges, institutions, whatever. It should be, I think, a Form 4. Adamaran don't trust his own company. He knows what it's worth. Form 4? Okay, perfect. So many forms. AMC 3850. I'm watching this sucker so closely. How has the volume been like on GameStop, guys? Like 1 million? Above 1 million? Isn't FTDs due today for September? I think they were reported yesterday. I don't even keep up with any of that anymore. Like, what is that? How does that even matter? The FTDs. You get me? 312,000? I'm assuming this is as of right now, right? Or no? Or was that the entire day yesterday? Yeah, FTDs were yesterday, 22 hours ago via Ortex. For September, the first half. AMC GameStop. Actually, speaking of Ortex, let's log into the actual website Let's see what the SI is. Oh, right now it's 314. Yeah, so I'm like, that's pretty high right now. Maybe it'll hit a million today. Uh-oh. Tesla's falling still. I got like 40,000 million alerts right there. I'm pretty sure you guys heard those alerts now. I muted it. The Russell. I'm also watching the Russell because usually these small caps are the ones that get wrecked first. But this has been trading sideways. Look at this. It has like this crazy support right around this level. So watch the Russ. Hmm. Pulling back, guys. Let's see. Is the AMC GameStop? Is it going to crater to the overall direction? How's Apple? New low. Facebook 341. And Netflix, by the way, we're going to pull up Netflix right now. Probably the craziest, strongest stock like the last couple of days. Let's see what it is doing right now. 600. It pulled back. But yesterday, in the last couple of days, when the market was literally cratering, look at this. It hit a new, I think, all-time high. Yeah. So now it's like it's cooling off. It's pulling back. Amazon also getting battered. AMC 38, set more alerts on Tesla. 767. Morning Gatsby. From the looks of it right now, it looks like we're headed to 762. Let's set another alert. Morning, Jan. What's the next target to watch for AMC? I think it's hard to call a target right now after the stupid rally we had yesterday. Like, this is insane. This isn't normal price action. I would say like 37 levels is going to be my next target. If it can hold 37, would I swing next for next week? Possibly if it can hold 37. Because if not, it's just going to crater back down. Like, I'm telling you, when it was at $33 yesterday, I was sold on the idea that it was going to go to 30 easily. Like, there's nothing stopping this. And then out of nowhere, we had that end of the quarter push, which is fairly interesting around the timing it comes, like right around into close. Definitely sus. I appreciate that, Elmo. Thanks for everyone for hitting the like button. I appreciate that. It helps out the channel. It recommends the channel to other people on YouTube, right? I paper handed all my money into GameStop, says Monster Buddy. I'm sure GameStop is nearing the end of the huge penny on the chart. Yeah, that's the Marantz pattern I had on my watch list as well on the stock chart. This pennant here, which is obviously is not it's not holding 180s, but maybe holds around 160s. That's the bounce we had earlier. Tesla still coming down. Stop the madness. 767. I'm telling you, it might be one of those days where we get that clean dip by midday. It's not even midday. We're not even 30 minutes into the open. I don't want to flip it, Kyoto. That's the thing. I don't think I want to flip it like that quick. I mean, yesterday if I bought in at 30 and I saw a rally to 41, oh, of course I'm gonna sell. Are you crazy? I don't think I would have caught the peak. If I was an AMC, if I woke up yesterday, I bought at 33, I probably would have sold like at 37 to be honest. I don't think I would have held it all the way to 41. You can't time the peak like that. It's really difficult. I was definitely sus. Meme stock shot up at the same time right around power yesterday. Yeah, at the same time. You already know the windows I look at, 38 to 42. It's around the same range. And even at 41, this is literally the same price we were at like a week ago. I don't see, why people were getting all crazy or excited for. It's like you're literally at the same levels here. Like, get excited when it's like a 50, $60. Tesla's still falling. Oh, wow. Is futures really falling like that or what? That's one thing when you're trading stocks like that, you have to notice. Like if you watch AMC religiously, watch how AMC is moving. By the way, notice how it trades alongside the market. Right? Look at this. I'm gonna get rid of GameStop for a second and pull up the Nasdaq futures. On Monday, or I think it was on Tuesday, Tesla wasn't really following the Nasdaq futures. It was way stronger. And on days like today, look at this. It's getting ahead of itself. It's pulling back rapidly. It's not moving in coherence with futures. So that's things you have to notice. Look, this candle's going green here. Let's see if Tesla's candle goes green. It's pushing. That's one thing you have to notice. Apple's the one that probably follows it like to the candle. Look at this. Look at the similarity. Facebook, not so much. Microsoft, eh. Netflix looking like it. Amazon looking like it. AMC's just completely saying, screw you, Ralph. We're going to the moon. 39. Set another alert here. Go back to GME. Is GameStop following? It sure is. 175. Set another F40. Kyoto makes a good point. Volatility risky but profitable. I agree. We're going up, dude. Kyoto over here price. Kyoto over here price is riding me by $1. AMC is like a day trader's wet dream. Absolutely, the volume is insane. You won't get stuck. Rule number one: when AMC is expected to rise, it doesn't. We learned it a long time ago. I hit dislike because Raw Paper handed his channel this week. Ah, man, I know. This is gonna be the new schedule. GameStop got an alert for that. At or above, there we go. This is a pretty nice little rebound here. So I had these dotted lines here, right? Before the whole push to 41. Interesting how it's holding right around 37.50. So it looks like that is a decent support level for now. 37.50s. And obviously we don't have resistance to at 40, 50 or $40. We kind of broke past that yesterday. GameStop 176. Both in the green territory, by the way. GameStop and AMC. Look at the like the I don't want to say the word, but look at these candles. They're nice. Like they overextend themselves. There we go, Tesla. Are we gonna pop here or what? UPST, it's at or below. I'm telling you, Stacks, this was a stack stock. He was like, should I chase the top? Because a lot of people were chasing the top here. I'm like, how much more gains do people want out of the stock? 350, 400? Just wait for a pullback. That's what we're seeing now. It's down 4%. AMC's out or above 4. AMC, look at that. I'm telling you, Kyoto, you're a wizard. You called the rally on this one for sure. But one thing I want to watch is these futures. Because I'm like, should I wait for Tesla? Interesting because Fridays are usually red days too. And I think there was another day this week where AMC was green and it just collapsed. What day was it? This is not it, is it? No. Thinkorswim has been really crazy lately. It was this day right here. Insane. Wednesday. All right, now that this is pushing. Uh-oh, Nasdaq, I'm telling you, what the hell's going on? Come on, baby. Come on down, Tesla. Why is Nintendo plummeting? I don't know. Who is We Gatsby? Let's see. We will say hi to GameStop when we get past the moon. Yesterday, yeah, it will end lower than yesterday's high, but today will push past yesterday's high. What? That doesn't make sense, Kyoto. Yeah, this my game the Think or Sim has been really glitchy this week. I don't know what it was this week. I'm telling you, I was trying to trade and the times and sales was not matching with the price. Like there was just like this massive lag that I've never seen. And my orders took forever to get filled. I'm like, what is going on? This looks like a weak candle here on Tesla. Oh, but John, you're saying that since his whole GameStop stock, so since January, your Thinkorswim has been lagging? I don't know if it's because I have two monitors now or what. Like I'm even paying more for the faster Wi-Fi too, and I don't even have the Wi-Fi. I have the Ethernet cable connected to my PC. I'm like, why is there a lag here? There shouldn't be a lag. Stupid Kramer, I'm telling you, he hacked it. Fidelity app keeps kicking me out. Says Miss Bash. That's interesting. Is it gonna rip? AMC pulling back down. Let's see. What is the freaking 10-year? What is this? No, I don't want your options. Economic data. I think I have it on here. Look how complex. Look at all this. This is like a Bloomberg terminal in and of itself here. What am I looking for? No. It's not US 10. It's like G something. Does anybody know the 10-year? Are we gonna rip or what? We're curling back up to us or what? Let's see the 5 minute. It's like, is it gonna rip to 773 or is it gonna come back down? It's like GS something. I could just go on Google. 10-year Tresh. TNX is the 10-year? Really? I thought it was like GS something. No, it's not. Tesla at 300. Michael Burry. Yeah, Michael Burry must be feeling like, oh my God, you know? I think he's been deleting his accounts lately. He's been going on and off. Like, I'll get tweets from him. I'll click on his account like an hour later and it's gone. I'm like, what? Oh, damn it. Let's see. Looks like we bottomed out here for a split second. What is AMC doing? Pulling back. Holding support still. No, it's at 1.49%. I never check it. You should check it. There we go. Tesla with the bearish candle. Did it just what? At or above? Are you guys watching this? It's like faking you off that it wants to hit any low and then it just starts rallying. What? I thought it was US 10Y. It's like DGS 10. There we go. DGS 10. It's much easier to just look at it like on Yahoo Finance or something. But this is kind of interesting here. It's like, as I'm telling you, it's like a Bloomberg terminal. There you go. You have your 10-year. You could go max back to the 80s, 2008. These like highlighted gray area, different color is like a recession, I believe. Yeah, recession. Interesting, huh? Come on, Tesla, do something. AMC finding support at 39. Lovely. Tesla's going to pump too. That's holding support here. Usually when it does this, it's either going to push back to like 5-minute EMA, which is right around 771.58, or it's going to give you a fake out and it's going to tank back down. But right now we're at the zone where it's going to hold support. So you could either hop in right now and set your stop loss near the lows, or just wait. But let's see. These futures aren't too convincing right now. So wait for confirmation. Ortex or AMC, I forgot to pull that up. I logged in, but I never clicked it. Let's see. 20%, 20.7% for AMCSI. AMC is still at 39.33. GameStop at 174. GameStop went red, by the way. So it's kind of teetering. Green, red, green, red. We'll see where it closes at. What the heck is up with the VWAPs? I don't have the VWAPs. All right, let's see if we can have a nice little push here. Be careful with these fake outs. There we go. Spy pushing. Kinda. All right, take it to 771, Tesla. Come on. Don't flop on me like this. What do we get filled in at? 768.39. Not too bad. Go back to AMC. 39.37. I don't use the VWAPs, Monster Buddy. MRK's at one stock. Adam is getting excited over. This one's trending on Yahoo Finance. Number 1 trending on there. Neo is trending number 2. And AMC's number 3. Zoms, America, right? This one's also trending. I remember this stock was hyped up back in like January, February. I'm like, this is a piece of shit stock. There we go, Tesla. You just gotta hold, man. Don't go red on me like this. There we go, baby. Let's go. There he is, the man, the myth, the legend. Marantz, you have to go look at Adam Marant's Twitter, man. You have to go look at his Twitter. Um, because he's been going on a little rant. Yeah, I heard you were going live today, the whole entire day. I'm excited for that. I have to actually sign up and register for the CSU's, Cal State Universities. The UC's open next month. So UCLA, whatever. So this one is open today. It opened at 6. So I'm excited for this. I'll be doing that while I listen to you for sure. And I have to work out too. But that's going to be the morning. 7:13 a.m. We're holding some 10 shares of Tesla. Not too big of a position. The other day, man, I'm telling you, I was going in with like 70 shares of Tesla, 60, 70 shares at a time on the dip. And those 2 days, I'm telling you, I was green. I gave back the freaking gains when the stock market came down. This used to happen a lot back in January. You just have to stop trading and walk out, walk away from the computer. 1 to 2 hours max at open. Then things start to get really sus. They either stay flat, low volume, or they start coming back down. You just gotta learn to walk away. Oh, it's getting cold out here. He's driving, but going live in 30. There we go. A man can fail many times, but he isn't a failure until he begins to blame somebody else. Interesting tweet. Look at this. You guys are watching NASDAQ Flush? This is the fake outs I'm like it's going down. Tesla's gonna sink back down to 760s. You guys see that? Are you guys watching that? These things are coming down quick. Oh my gosh. I can't make this up. These market makers are watching us. There's no point of holding Tesla if it's in a tank like this. Look at that. That's nasty. There's still more pain ahead. Looks like we're gonna double bottom here. At or above. GameStop 173. AMC 39.16. I think I got another alert for Costco. Costco 442. Home Depot, I think too. 326. Apple 139. Yeah, things are getting ugly again. The hell? There's like a ghost in here. There's like a ghost or something. AMC pulling back still. Tesla bouncing off the lows. Do we want to break even? Take a small L? Just things could get really ugly. I told you about Costco sell off for the next month. Yeah, it's gonna have a healthy pullback too. I mean, this looks crazily overbought on the daily. Look at this. There has to be a pullback. There has to be a support test. My portfolio looks so good pre-market. I'm telling you, this happened like 3 times this week. Around the same time too. Crash is coming, GME to the moon, AMC to Pluto. I don't know about that, man. When things were looking bad for AMC, the whole market was down. So I didn't see no negative beta kick in, you know? Hood. Robin Hood. Is that or below? This was another stock hot on my list. If it was able to test like 48, $50, it never did. It barely even peaked at 48, and that's when I took profits too. As soon as it started coming back down the next day, I'm like, nope, I'm out of here. I'm telling you guys, risk management has saved my ass. Tesla, I'm out of here. This one's coming down. Rather just take the L on this one. Like, there's no point. Let's just sell on the bounce. See if we get a bounce. There's no point in holding these stocks if they're gonna keep on dropping like this, especially if you're trading. DATS is at or below 11. DATS. Oh yeah. I remember the stock. This one we brought it up at $6 before I had the crazy push because a trader I follow on Twitter, he brought it up, and I was curious because it was dead. There was no volume. I'm like, why is this guy watching this? And it shot up to like 12, $18. I'm sorry. But risk management has saved my ass. Moderna. This is probably one of the clearest examples. I was so bullish on this stock. I bought in what like 444, and it shot up to like 470s. And as soon as it started coming down under this trend line, I'm like, I'm out. I'm out of here. And look where it's at right now, 326. Imagine if I would have held, and I would have told myself, you know what? Maybe it's gonna bounce back. Maybe it'll bounce up 400. Maybe it'll come back. And look at it now. I would have been a massive back holder on this. I can't believe it. It's still tanking. This stock has no, it's a bottomless pit. Tesla's still coming down. Glad I sold that one. AMC pulling back still looks like things are getting clapped right now. Nasdaq heat map check. Seeing some more red on here. Ward, who's that? I'm telling you, who's that Ward guy? That Ward guy looks familiar, by the way. That Ward guy. Ward. Can you check the SI on say? Yes, I can. CEI. I think his name's like Ward Garrison. I don't know if I've seen him in our chat or in the Discord, but that name sounds familiar. Ward. David, the SI for you. Here you go. Wow, 59.15%. I love how he shows up right when GameStop is about to rocket. Who? Rance? Where's Ward? Oh, I don't know. He was here back in the early days, spacesuit. Oh, you remember? That's interesting. That's crazy. U.S. stocks turn negative as S&P 500 turns lower. Blah blah blah. U.S. indices move lower. S&P 500 turns negative. The tweets are coming out, baby. Bring on the FUD. Ah, stupid Tesla use. Come down. Come down to 750s. See says in a, yeah, that freaking Zach Morris guy. This guy down 20. Oh my gosh. This got halted the other day. This stock got halted here. Did it really come down to 290? I can't believe it. I'm telling you, if Zach Morris is not a paper trader, this guy really sold here for sure at the peak. There's no surprise that it got halted at right near the top at 480. This guy sold. How many shares did he have? A couple million? This guy was up like 4 million or something. And now it's down 24%. GG's, man. See, pulling back. Bro, I've been rocking with you since February when I bought the meme stocks. And stocks like you're an OG. But I'm surprised you remember that Ward guy. Ward Garrison, I think is his name. Ralph, remember when I told you AMC pattern is goes up to high 40s to low 50s, then it drops to mid 30s, watch and repeat? Yes, indeed. If you knew anything about the Fibonacci, oh, he's talking about indicators. You guys are talking about Ward, right? The Fibonacci. He's talking about indicators, right? He's like, why don't you look about indicators or the Fibonacci retracement? The time I lost it was when Moran said Ward is the type of guy that sleeps with crystals next to his bed. Sleeps with crystals, sapphire, whatever he has on there to clean his energy and to protect his angels or something like that. It was something crazy. I lost it. Tesla once again trying to stabilize at 765, but I'm telling you, this was the fake out right here. Let's draw it for you guys right here, baby. They'll fake out. You gotta stick to your plan. Let's see. Nasdaq. Oh, as we speak, we're pulling back. S&P, the SPX actually just dropped. There's like a SPY. SPY's flushing still. I'm waiting for this nasty red candle on Nasdaq to hit. Dun 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 dun. There we go. It's pulling back little by little. Apple probably gonna retest the lows here. Set an alert. Crapple. You guys remember when we talked about shorting this at 160? I can't believe it never hit 160. That 139. Freaking crap. The phone's amazing, by the way, guys. I got the iPhone 13. Oh, there we go. Nasdaq new low, hitting new lows. Russell, we talked about the Russell earlier. Small caps getting battered too. Puts on crystals. Yeah, the iPhone 13 is amazing, by the way. It's a massive upgrade from the 11. I love the phone. Still holding support there. There's no more lag on there. I could look at stocks, do charts. Doesn't lag. It's amazing. And I don't even have the Pro. The Pro sucks. It's a waste of money. iPhone and the word amazing should not be in the same sentence. It's amazing. It's wonderful. It's quick. Let's see. Is Tesla gonna be stupid again today? Or I'm waiting for the bounce, man. I'm gonna wait for that freaking bounce. It's gonna come. The bounce is coming. Then it magically starts lagging. MO, what the hell is MO? Is it nicotine stocks? Altria, right? Someone help me. E-cigarettes, something like that. It's pulling back. I definitely did not have this alert set recently. This alert has been sitting here for months. I think I said it when it dropped here, April, when they were gonna ban like cigarettes or like the e-cigarettes, because those things are crazy. Those puff bars, those jewels or whatever. All right, here we go. Come on, Tesla. You gonna rip here? Or is it gonna be the same thing as earlier? A fake out. All right, let's go to Nasdaq really quick. This is what I don't trust, the Nasdaq. Because what we saw earlier was that Tesla was getting ahead of itself this morning, pulling back even before the Nasdaq pulled back. Like what? iPhone is trash for the sheep. Aziz, wow, you're coming in swinging today. You work for some. You work for Samsung or something? You popped up out of nowhere. Exactly. Unless you want to hold the dip over the weekend, which I know damn well you won't. Absolutely. I wouldn't touch Tesla today. Keep in mind, like I said earlier, they have deliveries for Q3 coming out over the weekend. That's gonna be the biggest catalyst for Monday. Of course, I would not touch this. Kidding me? I want my sleep. I want to be able to sleep this weekend. Tesla's going to 752. Bring it down. Apple is trash. I kid you not. I think everybody on this freaking stream has a Samsung. I kid you not. Nobody defends me. Nobody ever comes out and says, you know what, Apple's amazing. All of you guys use Androids. I kid you not. Not one person here has an iPhone. I get flamed and nobody comes to my rescue. Some people are very opinionated about Apple. Ralph watches the stock market like most people watch sports. It's like his Super Bowl Sunday every day. Stocks are fun. Alrighty, let's see it. Let's buy 25 shares of Tesla. Let's see if we actually get some freaking movement here. At least cut even, man. Like, come on, baby. There we go. Cut even. I kid you not. This stupid thinkorswim takes forever to sell. Look at this. My order's been sitting there for like 20 seconds. Come on. I'm gonna lose the gains now, huh? I guess if you sell in blocks of 5 or something, it'll sell you out. Oh my god, are you kidding me, Tesla? I need to switch brokers. I need to go to Interactive or something. Look at this. Hmm. No, Kyoto, absolutely not. I would not hold this. I kind of have a feeling it's gonna hit a new low later on today. No doubt. It's Friday. Screw the October 1st. Ah, damn, I can't have this happening. Fill me out. I could sell at the bid, right? With if I hit Shift X. But usually Shift S does a pretty good job. Look at this watch. But it moves so fast. There we go, and then I want to short Tesla. So when you hear the little doot doot, that's assuming you want to short the stock, right? So if I sell right now, look at this. Not available to short this security. All right, let's see. It's gonna come down new low, I'm telling you. New low for Tesla coming. Go back to AMC. What is this doing? 38.90s. Uh, I have an iPhone somewhere in my basement. I don't like to read that. Apple doesn't lag. There we go. Apple doesn't get viruses. Monster Buddy to the rescue. Appreciate you, Monster Buddy. Rich says I have an iPhone. I'll support you, Ralph. There we go. Android gang. I've been trying to get banned for months. Tesla's going up to VWAP and then it'll go down. So if I wants to some gains, he should hold. Yeah, because Apple is the virus. As much as I love Apple and I like the phones and the whatever, the computers, I'm telling you, there's something really sus. Like, there's no way why I have two MacBooks, right? The older model, like a 2015 or 2013 model I got back like 2016, that runs faster than my newer one. Explain to me how that makes any sense. Explain to me. My thinkorswim runs faster on my old MacBook than my newer one. How? Older MacBooks are good? Yeah, I know that. Like even on Safari, it's just so much smoother and way faster. Just listen to MacBook Apple repair on YouTube. And I don't even want to talk about slowing iPhones because my iPhone is listening to me right now, and I'm telling you it'll start going to crap. All right, let's see. Tesla looks like it wants to hit a new low, but it doesn't. It's gonna be like, it's gonna make me want to buy again. But let's see. I'll set a couple of alerts and see if we get those zips. GameStop 174, still slightly better on the day, not too bad. AMC is up 2.4% at $39. Apple new low on the day as we speak. I don't know why, Ralph. That's so effing true. It is true. Like I said, we're getting some movement on GameStop. GameStop is about to go green today again. Apple's out or below. GameStop still teetering on the red or green. Apple just went to a new low. Speaking of Apple, the stock is the virus. Look at this. Coming down, 139. Who's buying the dip here? Looks like we're going to test. What are we going for? 137 on Apple, maybe? Oh, excuse me. Here comes Tesla one more time. It's like it wants to move, but it doesn't. It's indecisive. I think it's best to just sit out today. It's like, or just wait for a crazy opportunity. SPY, what are we doing? Bouncing off the lows again. We're seeing little small bounces here, but as we learned earlier this week, a lot of the times, a lot of the bounces did not sustain. I'm telling you, where's William Williams at? I haven't seen him like in a month. Tech is getting wrecked, absolutely. Looks like we're seeing more red on the heat map. Bye bye Tesla. You think it's gonna come down to sex a lot? My iPhone 7 Plus lasted me way more than this crappy 11 Pro that I have. Weak battery, but I'm loyal. The battery is great so far. I think what really screws up the battery is when you leave it charging overnight or you charge it in the car. Because I heard you're not supposed to charge phones in the car. HUD is being investigated by the SEC for selling AMC, a total circus. Is this just like a new headline right now or what? Am I not on Twitter? Oh yeah, it is. This was yesterday, I'm sorry. Yeah, this is the whole fiasco that happened this week, the whole drama. Once again, Tesla looks like it's holding support. Let's see, what do we do? It's like it wants to hold support and then it just starts flopping down. I don't trust Tesla. I don't trust you, Tesla. You're gonna come down if I buy you. Watch. Baba is out or below. Baba's still flushing. Like we said earlier, it's gonna be an amazing buy when it starts to push. Wait for support and confirmation. That's like the biggest key. Because then at that point you're catching a falling knife. Let's see. It's holding support Tesla here still. Let's see. We got a nice little push here on futures. Come on. I'll make sure I have the right position. I'm telling you, one time I don't know what happened. I ended up buying the wrong amount of shares, and it was bad. It was not good. Adam Aaron wants to sell, so that means AMC will go up. He wants the highest price, baby. What screws up the battery is the Apple upgrades they send out. I guess we'll find out. The battery's doing well so far. Overnight charging is a myth? Really? I am rooting for the VIX this month. Do you have some calls on there or what? Oh, Rob. Baba is at its lowest in 3 years. I don't think it was hurting. It's painful, man. The Baba dip is painful. It's really getting clapped. And one thing that's interesting about Thinkorswim, especially if you're trading, guys, notice how sometimes the number of shares changes. Like if you hit 25, right, and you go back to like Tesla, it stays on that. So just keep that in mind. Looks like it wants to push here. Mm. All right, let's see it. We're gonna go in. If not, just get right back out. We're watching Nasdaq closely too. Let's look at the heat map. Nope. Come on, there we go. Push, baby. Phoenix, damn, Amazon X. Just hoping it goes to $80 or 90 overnight. It did back in 2020 when the Rona hit. It went to like 84 or something like that. Something crazy. I mean, above 20, the VIX is already scary and spooky. There's something already wrong with the markets when people are fearful with the VIX. The VIX is probably another hot indicator you want to watch on downturns like today or like this week in general. Looks like we're still pushing here on Tesla. The 5-minute EMA test is occurring right now on Tesla. Usually it gets rejected here at around the blue line. It starts to like shy off a bit. So we're kind of almost break even today. Kind of we made back those losses, which is not always the best thing. Because usually you don't want to revenge trade. You don't want to try to make money back because then you end up losing more. But let's see. Is it going to clap me again? Is this another fake out? Like earlier, the same thing. Pulls back to a new low. Let's wait and see. What are we in for? 766.66. I guess that's where we could break even. What was that alert? I missed it. Salva! Good old friend. What are you doing? 57. Coming back down. Healthy pullback, I would say. Buy puts on NDX. NASDAQ. Let's see what GameStop and AMC are doing. Still around the same price levels. I think Amazon is pretty safe unless Bezos goes missing on the moon. All right, so if we are going to see a nice recovery here on Tesla, a nice little bounce, it should be happening now. But I got rejected at EMA. We're still seeing rejection. Still looking weak. Nope, not looking good. Let's just sell this sucker and we'll see if we can rebuy back. Because look at NASDAQ. It looks like it's about to hit a new low. That's what sucks about trading. Like during weeks like this week. It's hard. It's freaking difficult. No bounces hold, nothing. Salva. A new low. How many more alerts do I have to set? I swear I have like thousands of alerts right now. Let's see. I just read Twitter. There we go. Morant's video coming up. I'll have to apply to these freaking schools, guys, in a bit. So Morant's is gonna be going live. Is he live right now? No, not yet. Not yet. GME is at 174. And we're seeing some little minor. I think this was just a glitch, right? This candle. I don't. Maybe an order got filled at 38.50. These wicks are insane sometimes. I'm telling you, how many alerts do I have to set on Salva? I feel like it's just collapsing right now. I'm gonna set an alert at 56.16. If it triggers 56.16, oh my gosh. I'll probably be back next Friday, to be honest. Next Friday or I don't know. What's early October? What do we got? Earnings is around the corner too, so that'll probably be an exception too. Um, but yeah, guys, watch the overall market, the overall direction, especially if you're trading stuff, because 75, 90% of the time, these stocks follow the overall market, including the meme stocks. I've heard market crash equals MOAS. I've never been a fanatic or an advocate for that idea. It doesn't make sense to me. Like if the market is crashing, these meme stocks are probably gonna go down with it. You know? There we go. Nasdaq new low. Once again, Tesla for the second time today, a fake out breakout. Let's see if the third time's a charm, right? Rip apart. You need to go live more, please. If AMC and GameStop start to rip apart. Ralph, they will go down at first. I guess we'll have to see. All right, we're ripping back up on Tesla. Nice little bouncy off the lows. Once again, we're still holding support right around the 765, 766 area. Is this going to be the rip the third time? Mm, looks like it is. This freaking stock, I'm telling you. That Saxoff says nope. There might be another dip by later. I have my alerts. I'm waiting for this. Neo's doing the same thing as Cessa. AMC still at 39. GME is still at 174. Oh man, I can't wait for the rant today. I need my daily rant from rants. It just brightens up my mornings. I don't know what it is about the rant videos. I think it's just because I get an amazing laugh out of them. Like rants is makes some crazy jokes. I got some entertaining ass streams. Oh, there he is, Peppered with Salt, the legend. What's going on, buddy? Welcome. The good thing is that if Tesla stays at these levels today, it'll retest 790 on Monday. I'm telling you that we'll see what the earnings, the delivery numbers, say over the weekend. Keep that in mind if you're swinging this. Look at this. I'm telling you, if AMC closes at 35 and it crashes, I'm gonna clap back at Trey. That freaking guy. Morning. Good morning, good morning. Look at the 5. Once again, rejected at the blue line, the 5-minute EMA, serving as resistance. That's not Tesla. Usually on green days, man, you'd see a nasty rip up above that, but no, not today. Oh yeah, I heard about that. Bed Bath and Beyond. They should rename the company to like something else, like Beyond Bloodbath or something. Beyond Bed Bath and Beyond. Some I don't know. Look at this, nasty. Looks like it's about a crack under the support level. This is like a quadruple bottom on Bed Bath and Beyond. It got wrecked though. All right, let's go to Twitter. See. Oh yeah, I I just see the Morant's reply on Adam Aaron's tweet. He put speechless. Pam says, "Is Trey even still around? I don't pay much attention to him." I still think he posts videos. He still tweets for sure. Yeah, he's always tweeting. Alrighty, Tesla's still pulling. No support yet, guys. They're getting in the Halloween spirit with all this blood. Yeah, starting with the stock, right? Bed Bath and Puts. AMC 3890. GameStop 173. Look at this. Is it getting ahead of itself? 764. It's like an Apple. Another one near the lows. Facebook. Uh-oh. There we go. Bring it down, baby. It's down 1.4% today. That's the song. Go to the 4 hour. Yeah, we were pretty much trading sideways the entire week. Apart from the Monday rally, we had a 799. Kind of just traded sideways. Now it's pulling back. Next support level is right around 760s. A new range here, 760, 740. So that's right around what Stacks a lot said. That's his level. 750s. You know what's gonna happen? It's gonna bounce off the lows right here. Let's see. Double bottom. What is SPY doing? Oh wow, another one near the low. SPY's back near the lows. AMC 3890s. Gatsby says AMC dot dot dot. I don't know what you mean by that. It's still green. If Nasdaq continues to crash throughout the day, guys, just notice AMC and GameStop. Watch how they're reacting to the overall market. Heat map check. We're seeing a little bit more red on here. It's still teetering near the lows. Oh, I think Morantz is live. I got a notification. He's live. So let's link his channel right here. I just think that. Make sure you guys go check him out. I'm going to end the stream here. Thank you guys for hopping on a Friday. We'll be back next Friday. These are the plays that I'm watching so far. I've been watching Tesla religiously. If it does dip around 760s, I wouldn't swing trade. I would not consider a swing trade. Just gambling on the quarter deliveries. But going back next week, I don't know about a day trade on this one today. If the market still continues to come down, it doesn't make sense to day trade it. It's very, very hard to day trade when the whole market's against you. When the general direction is not in your favor, sometimes, guys, it's best to just, sit out, take a chill, go out for a walk. Do something else. It's very hard to trade on days like today. As you guys saw, there's 2 fake outs here. Twice his stock got faked out. That's why it's best to just play small amount of shares, test it, and your stop losses will save your ass. I'm telling you. Managing your risk, guys. Manage your risk. I'll see you guys. I'll be on the Discord, by the way. I'm still on the Discord. I'm still like I'm gone. I have to apply to these schools. I'll be on Marantz's channel as well. And I'll see you guys next week. Peace out. Peace out, Fun Zone. Peace out, Pam. Thank you guys for hopping on. Stacks a lot. Ruben. Monster Buddy. Peace out.